We are learning that the floor leaders of the opposition parties will be meeting today in the office of the LOP and Rajya Sabha. That is Mallikarjun Kharge in Parliament. That will happen an hour before the special session begins. So that is 10 a.m. And that they will be meeting to chalk out the strategy on the floor of the House in the special session of Parliament. That seems to be the opposition's point of view because a united front of the opposition, they are wanting to derail when it comes to the government's push of bringing these bills together. However, this would be a kind of a dilemma as well for the opposition as well, because else they will be labelled to be anti-women reservation, or else they will now, as far as putting up a united front is concerned, would they actually allow what they have been calling as far as the government's politically motivated plan. Well, Mohit, what seems to be the opposition's point of view here, because certain sections, however, still appear to be fragmented?
Well, in fact, Amita, largely the opposition parties are together when they say that they are not against women reservation, but they are against delimitation, and they're questioning the timing of this amendment that has been selected by the government. But when it comes to the strategy of the opposition in the parliament, at 10 a.m., the opposition party leaders, the ND bloc, will have a meeting in the chamber of Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress president, and then the further strategy would be decided. But yes, surely, Amita, the opposition will not walk out, because they want to be present during the voting, they want to be present during the debate and discussion, and they would want to discuss their point of view in front of the world, that what exactly is the issue that they have with these particular amendments. Because you see, the government has been saying this, Prime Minister has been saying this, that it's a historic decision that is being taken. Now everybody needs to come together so that women get their rights, so women get their equality, and also we have a proper representation from the women in the Lok Sabha and subsequently in the state assemblies. So then if the opposition walks out, if they don't speak on the issue, the message will go to the country that opposition is against women reservation, and perhaps that is why this 10 a.m. meeting of the opposition party is very important, that how exactly they will be taking forward their point.
So let me take that question to Nyamika, because Nyamika, good morning. 10 a.m. we are told that this, floor strategy meeting that would be taking place of the opposition, because the opposition actually holds enough numbers in both houses, especially when it comes to blocking the approval. But that also necessitates the cross-party support for its passage. So what is going to be their strategy?
Well, yesterday only there is a crucial meeting which had taken place at the residence of Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, where all the India bloc parties, and not just the India bloc parties, but also TMC and Aam Aadmi Party was also being present, and a united stand was being taken that all of these opposition party members are going to vote against these bills, as it was basically a decision which was being taken yesterday only, and now a floor strategy is going to be formulated in the 10 a.m. meeting, where all the floor leaders of the India bloc parties are going to be present at Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber, as it is basically at 10 o'clock, where it is going to be decided that whether they are going to hold a protest both inside as well as outside the parliament as well, because the way in which the Congress and the other opposition parties are trying to create a narrative that they are not against the women reservation bill, but they are going to vote against the delimitation. They are basically making this allegation against the BJP government at center that they are...
mainly when we speak of the opposition stand, because they are of the opinion that they want to oppose the bill despite it being linked to the operationalization of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam that actually seeks to reserve 1/3 of the seats in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies for women, as the timing of the move, as the opposition says, is politically motivated. Let's in the meantime get you this rare show of unity as far as the opposition bloc is concerned, because they have indicated that they will oppose the delimitation bill with supporting when it comes to women's reservation in principle. However, they are coming out to say that we are not against women reservation, but oppose the way in the government that seems to be bringing the bills, and they have been calling that to be politically motivated. So let's take a look as far as when it comes to the representation of the seats in the southern states in particular are concerned, because that is now what we are looking at as far as implementation of women reservation on the table, and then the special session that is expected to witness intense debate and sharp political showdown as well. And of course, when it comes to the outcome here is concerned, could have far-reaching implications for India's electoral map, federal balance, and also when it comes to the future of political representation as well. Now, on the government's point of view, let's get you this breaking update, because what we are getting to know that the government seems to have made major preparations regarding Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, and as far as arrangements that have been made in the visitor gallery. So that is what we are learning of the parliament, that allows women from different sections of society to watch the parliamentary proceedings, because this is going to be historic. At the intervals of 1 hour, what is being said that around 2,000 women will be getting to witness the debate on the historic bill.